talking about myself. My name is Wilson Mosquera Quinto. I am married. I am from Palmira City. I am 45 years old. I am policeman. I am studying pulling a coin at WINAP. I live in Praera. In the free time, I like to play basketball, football.
Talking about my city, what are the main touristic in the city?
The main tourists in Palmira are the Far, La Maria, the Sugar Park, the Cathedral.
What is the typical food in your city?
The typical food in my city, the fast food, and also sancocho.
What are the main celebrations in your city?
The main celebration in my city, national agriculture fair, the festival Back and White, festival San Pedro San Pablo.
What activities can you do in your city?
In my city, I can run, swim, dance, very much more.